Hello, hopefully today you've done some web USB with Edgeimpulse, used web USB or a subset of it called WebSerial to get some data files in CSV format from your sensors. This one I want to branch out a little bit, do some more WebSerial. The nice thing with WebSerial is there's my main line. If I'm reading in, and this time we're going to output from a web page to, in this case, an Nano 33 and a servo motor. Got some batteries there, and the servo motor just has some information on it. And quite an easy bit of code, the meat of the program. If it reads person, it attaches the servo motor, it serial prints person, it writes 90 degrees, and it waits for a second. Whereas if it sees a pin, it writes to the servo 130 degrees. So this has come about with, first of all, this is my web ML serial page. That'll take you to the Git Pages site. We're doing this one, the Hugginface. Now let's talk, if we go to Hugginface, just recently Hugginface allowed JavaScript to access its machine learning data sets, and it has a ton of them. You should definitely look through it. So this is my page showing some of these things, a whole bunch of text, machine learning. Now this is all sending to the cloud data set, which is then sending information back. I have some audio analysis, image analysis, and then this one, text to image, you should definitely look at. This one's the object detection, and when I go to that, it'll be similar to this page, but it won't have this little button, connect via serial port. So that's what we're going to do right now. We have the code loaded up. Let's test the code first. Always do a LED test. I've got offer on because on the Portenta, it works the reverse, but let's just see what's going on. Oh, haven't connected. So we connect. WebSerial, check. Okay, that did turn it off, and that one turned it on. And let's show you what, basically it's a good idea to test your stuff. So if I test for person, it turns to person. If I show unknown, does unknown. And now this web page simply does the thing that the Huggingface JavaScript page does. And that is, it either loads an image from the internet. Let's try one. Let's load that. And all you do is click on that and load image. And it gives me my data. And there we go. It's moving to dog and unknown. Oh, and cat. So it seemed to find a dog, a cat, and it somehow found either two dogs or another cat. I have this set up on my webcam. So there I am. Let's throw in a picture beside me and see what happens. And it'd be nice if I could page up quickly. So I take that picture and then page up. And what's it doing? It sees a person, unknown. And, oh, it only got the person. It didn't grab the picture this time. Let's try it with more of a picture. Once again, it's not so happy with the dogs. Let's try the picture. Well, let's try this picture. Copy. So on this page, you can do pictures or webcam. And all I'm showing you here is this connection between the Arduino and a web page and output. So this one's doing cat, dog, and person, which, if we look at the picture, is pretty accurate. You will notice that TinyML would have a hard time with this accurate work. So I like to think of this thing we're doing here, where we're working with the web page, we're working with the internet, we're working with the Arduino, as more what TinyML might be in 3 or 4 years, and it's what ML can do at the moment. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.